Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use face filters on Omegle. So firstly you have to download the application from Google Chrome. So just go to your Google Chrome and then search Snap Camera. Then open the first link. Then just simply click on download. Then scroll down, click on I have read agreements, then I'm not robot. Then click on download for Mac or PC, whatever your system be. So for me it's PC. I'll just simply click on that and then just simply save. Then after downloading is over, just simply click open. Then press yes. Then install the software, but I will not do it because I have already installed it in my system. So I'll just simply cut it. Then after the installation is over, just simply search for the application and open it. And now over here you will find multiple filters that you can use for Omegle or any streaming application like Discord or Zoom or etc. like that. And now if you want to save a filter, you can just simply click on the star at the top left corner of that particular filter. So it will save in your favorites, so you don't have to find it whenever you're looking for a filter. Then now just simply choose a filter of your liking and then go to Google Chrome. Then search Omegle. Then go to the Omegle website. And now before doing anything, go to the three dots at the top right and go to settings. Then search for camera and open site settings. Then scroll down and click on camera and make sure to keep the snap camera as default camera. Then just simply go back to Omegle. Check both the boxes. Then click on confirm and continue. But I won't be able to show you because my camera isn't working right now. But when you are inside Omegle, you will find that the filter is enabled. So there is no need to worry. And that's all. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel.